So welcome Sagittarius. Sagittarius. September 1 to 7. Knock 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 knock. So September na, Ber months na naman. OFW, shout out po ako. So I hope everybody's okay and doing well. Ingat po tayo. Huwag tayong masyadong mag-iisip. Kasama po yan. Alam ko yan ang ganyang situation. So, ano bang ginagawa ninyo kapag stress kayo? Yung mga sleepless night. Lalo pag nag-iisa. Alam ko yung situation na you're all alone. Marami kang iniisip. Problema. And ayaw mo munang makichismis or what. Makipagkwentuhan, lumabas. Ano ba yung typical na ginagawa ng mga OFW? So, September 1 to 7, Sagittarius. So, ingat po yung mga kapapayan natin na may baha sa Pilipinas na naman. Pinagdaanan ko na yung baha na yan. Hindi na news sa akin yan. Kule, nasa college pa ako Naglalakad na po ako sa baha. Nilalakad ko po yung kahabaan ng Murayta papuntang Blumentritt kung meron mang nakaalam doon. Santa Cruz, yeah. Batang ako, University Belt. Sagittarius, September 1 to 7. So nakakalungkot yung mga balita sa Pilipinas na ganyan, lalo yung mga proyektong hindi nagagawa. So, yung energy mo is very fiery, Sagittarius. Ikaw ito True to your form. You're the stallion. So, maski na may bagyo, maski na may problema, tuloy pa, hindi dahilan iyon para manahimik ka. Ayan na naman, no? Nasa element mo na naman ikaw Yung bagong proyekto, palaban ka. Kapag ganyan, nasa element ka ng sarili mong energy, komportable ka sa your own skin. Yes, kumbaga sa opisina, pag tinawag ka ng boss mo, hindi pa tinatanong, sinasagot mo na. Binigay mo na yung solusyon. Hindi pa natatapos yung second question, meron ka ng answer sa number 5 or number 6. Tama ba, Sagittarius? Ganyan. Kahit na maglakad ka sa baha, hindi problema yan sa'yo. Papasok ka. Gagawa ka ng paraan. You make it happen. Kasi nandyan yung yung mojo. Nandyan yung yung power mo. Being true to yourself. Walang walang kieme-kieme. Yes? Kasi nga alam mo na at the end of the day, you're moving toward to a better place. Anything is temporary. Yan, no? Agree? Meron bang ganyan, Sagittarius? Kumbaga sa okay, nasa abroad tayo. Okay? May bagyo din naman kahit nasa lugar ka. So, depende po sa sitwasyon. Yung bagyo, earthquakes, lalo sa ibang bansa, normal yan. May sunog, diba? Kamukha sa Amerika. So, tuloy pa rin yung curiosity mo. Tuloy pa rin yung yung day-to-day routine. Hindi ka affected sa issue ng corruption ng DPWH, let's say mga ghost project, ganyan tipo. Yes? Alam mo yung pinanggalingan mo, alam mo kung sino ka. Yes, Sagittarius? Kung yung project mo, tatapusin mo yan. Ikaw yung naghahari-harian. Walang magtabi-tabi kayo. Yan ang message niya. Ayan, no? Ikaw yung emperor ngayon Bakit? Bakit kaya? Interesting, Sagittarius. This is a sana all. type of career. Kung OFW ka, ikaw yung big boss. Okay? I think ang kausap ko ngayon ang CEO, mga nagsisimula sa C. Okay? Mga chief, mga kapitan, mga mga ano to, deal breaker ito. Ayan, no? Ikaw ito. Kaya yung energy mo very strong eh. Etong pupuntahan mo na to, kung ano man tong energy na pupuntahan mo to, business related, na-close mo na yung deal. And it's gonna give you more money. Speaking of money, because alam mo yung hirap eh. Hindi biro. Okay? Tinipid mo. Alam mo humawak din ng pera. Nasa na yung card? Yung practicality, Sagittarius. Sagittarius can be din kapag mainit nawawala yung niya na medyo ano ba tawag dito, na off balance. Pero ikaw you're in your element. Meron kang decision ngayon. Yes, okay. Meron kang iniwanan na hindi na nagwa-workouts sa relationship. Relationship, again, hindi ito yung relationship ng pag-ibig. It can be negosyo na iniwanan mo. Kasi, sorry, hindi kumikita ako dyan. Wala akong natututunan. Iniwanan mo. Meron pang mas maganda akong pupuntahan. So, magsitabi-katabi kayo. Huwag niyo akong gambalain. Nasa element ka ng emperor eh. Yeah. I don't think you even worry about this one. I don't think meron kang indecision at this stage. Iniwanan mo na lang. Kasi very pragmatic at practical ito. Very pragmatic at very realistic itong reading ni Sagittarius. Hindi ka na nagpasintabi. May desisyon, hindi ayan, nakatingin siya kumbaga sa okay, dare me. Ay, wala akong time dyan. I'm going move forward. Okay? I'm going to move forward kasi alam mo yung ikaw, you're the king of the jungle. Kung ano man yung negosyong i-open mo, meron kang minsan na indecisiveness, pero it's not an issue for you because of this experience you have here. Yung experience na ito yung again, this is another miser thing. I consider it's miser. Alam mo yung tipong chinachani mo, makabili ka lang ng tipid na tipid. Kumakain ka, pero alam mo kung kailan kakakain ng dilis o kailan kakakain ng sinigang or paksiw or So, kung ano itong dumating sa iyo na kailangan mong tiyaniin ulit, minumumog mo na lang ito. Meron bang ganyan sa Sagittarius? Kasi you're on your element. Palaban ka rito. Or, you're surrounded by these people. Yes? Okay? Kung ikaw yung magdidesisyon, or hindi ikaw yung magdidesisyon, you're waiting for the other decision, you don't even worry it. So, anything related to that. Kasi nga, kung ano man yung hindi nag-progress, you don't even bother to look back. Ano ba ito? Ang ganda nito Ano ba itong dinesisyonan mo na ito? Ano ba yung dinesisyonan ni Sagittarius? Kunin ko tong isa kong tarot card dito. So, Sagittarius, knock-knock, September 1 to 7. Ayan na, naghahari-harian ka, Ayan na naman, oh, King of Wands. King of Wands. Meron ka na, you have the King of Wands and Knight of Wands. Fast moving. Kailangan desisyonan mo na to ng mabilis. Kung hindi ka nakakapag-desisyon, wala kang choice. Desisyonan mo na daw, sabi. O, kunin ko na. Ito na yung answer. Ito na yung karugtong ng istorya. Because you are the star. Ano naman ito eh. Nag-a-alchemy ka dito eh. You're creating something. Sagittarius is good on that. Alchemist din ito eh. Because yung fire niya sa belly, ano tinatawag, you fight for what you believe in. Kapag nandun ka sa energy na ipagtatanggol mo yan, because tama yan eh, you really fight for that one. Yun lang communication. Okay? Yeah. Leading to your happiness. You're the star. You're the star here. Kung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Today is still July. Spill over nitong July. June, July, August. Okay, this reading is for September 1 to 3. Something happened in this past 3 or 4 months. Ito na yung decisionan mo na ito, or decisionan mo na. And it took you a lot of courage. Hindi ka na nagpaligoy-ligoy pa. Kasi nga the more if you will have that indecisiveness, ano na, kinat mo na ito, or you need to cut this one. Alam mo yung issue. There was an issue before. Yes. And it took you a lot of courage to do that. Ang dami mo ng wish na hiniling ito, or you consulted a lot of people. I can see a lot of people here. You consulted a lot of people at saka nakipagtalo ka na. That's how heavy it is for you to make that decision. Hindi ito ordinaryong decision, and it's for the common good. I can see here that it's not only a collective, it's not only coming from you, pero ikaw yung nagbigay ng ultimate decision on that one to separate. Again, it different po yung sa iba-ibang timeline natin, but you ended up victory here. So again, yung ibang stage ng life natin is you might be on the stage of walking away and having no visibility. Yes? Sagittarius, meron bang ganyan? Kung work-related ito, you have something came in na, okay, yung mga OFW na lang, you know, gano'ng kahirap yung pag-apply. Meron pang mga lagay-lagayan dyan. Pagpunta-punta mo sa saan ba ito? Sa EDSA. Pagpa-file pa ng kung ano-ano pa. Tapos pagpunta mo ng airport, ang dami pang pila-pila. Tapos lilipad ka ang liit-liit lang naman ng sweldo. Yes? Natapos ka na doon. Natapos ka na doon sa difficulty na yon. And you just need to make a decision. Tinanggap mo na kung hindi mo pa tinatanggap. Or kung meron kang offer ka naman to move to another place, hindi nagwo-workout hindi nagwo-workout, hindi nagbabayad ng tamang pasahod sila palagi pa nadidelay That's another ano tawag dito, alchemy. And you are now the star because of that one. Ito yung CEO type of decision. Very bossy. And you are a smart person. Yes. Meron mang ganyan, Sagittarius. Meron kang iniwan. It's not a painful pass. It's not a painful pass. It's just, hindi lang nagwo-work out. Very, realistic. The Emperor is a very pragmatic. Hindi to emotional na nagdesisyon siya because it's a matter of fact. It's a matter of fact. Or ikaw yung naapektuhan dito. Sagittarius. Yes? So, kuha tayo kuha tayo ng isa pang oracle card. Tignan natin yung ano pa yung message for Sagittarius, September 1 to 7. Moon card. This is another heavy reading actually. To reach that level of itong decision na ito, I don't think hindi to is simpleng decision na bibili ka lang ng bagong kamiseta o sapatos. Agree? Office setting, it's a decision of moving or terminating. Ilan ba? Dalawa yung lumitaw. Okay. The frog. Tignan natin. Sabi dito, okay. The path has been shared for you to make a change that previously seemed unachievable. Yan na nga. Unachievable daw. Pero nasa element ka Nasa element ka. Nothing is impossible pag nasa element ka na you want to decide and move. No, walang impossible. And you have the Scorpio here. Sabi pa dito, negative attitudes and fiery arguments are possible at this time. So, channel your energies into positive physical activities like decorating or gardening. Meron ka bang bahay na ipapatayo? But this one is a very, pragmatic. Ito, exercise daw. Or shopping. Yeah. So, nothing is impossible. I think this is related to walking away and making that decision. So, ang ganda nitong frog. The path has been cleared for you. The path has been cleared to you. Yeah, that's the path. Yes. So, yeah. So sana all Sagittarius, you're the emperor and the path is cleared for you. And once it's cleared, ito na yan, no? Celebration, it's party time. Ano pa yung hihintayin mo? Yes. So, Sagittarius. So, it's a good reading, a very positive one. So, September 1 to 7. Hope everybody is well. See you again. Salamat po.